maintenance since I bought it, and this is what's been done. What you can see here, new tyres. Take this off. Rewired the lights. That's all been done. A new horn been put in down there. All the radiators been redone, reconditioned, painted. The head and the tappets have been set. A new battery, a new coil. The brake master cylinder and the clutch cylinder, the seals have been replaced on there. All this down here has been hammer-righted all round there and welded. Some of the welding has been done there. New oil filter, new plugs, points have been reset. So replace the window screen, that's been done, so the dust has been settling on it. Took that long to do. As we come along, sills have been welded and painted all the way along here. It's all nice and solid now. All that's been done. Brake seal has been put in the brakes. Handbrake, there's new parts on there. All this has been welded up. Mud flaps on the back just to finish it off. Okay? This is the rear end, this is being tidied up at the moment. All the trim here has been took off, replaced, with, just been repainted basically, all this trim. That's been done, that's the trim along here. This has all been tidied up and revarnished on the wood. Tyres there, gotta go up. Right, this way. This is a replacement door. The locks have been changed. All the carpets are out at the moment. It's been all the welding that's took place on the floor. This is the switch has been rebuilt. The ignition switch down there has all been rebuilt, which you probably can't see. A new switch on there, and of course a radio, which cost 50p from a boot sale. That's been put in position and that works fine. New wing mirror, of course, to go with the new door, which has been sprayed up. This is being tidied up, is what I'm doing today. Which hopefully I'll spray up today and make nice, because that was all full of rust. So basically, that's it. It's nearly there, it's almost complete. Obviously, parts in the engine have been replaced, a new timing chain, a new crankshaft nut, new brake pipes and flexi hoses and seals, which I haven't said about. The sump's been cleaned out and painted, the engine's all been cleaned. So we're almost there. Seatbelts and let's come out like that from the back. Put that down like that. That's what I was driving up around the car park, I think. Oh, then. Do you like the new car? Yeah. Yeah, pretty fun. What about you, Jane? Do you like it?
That's what I wanted.
Do you like the old-fashioned car or do you like the Rover better? Which one do you like the best?
Old-fashioned. Can you take this off and show us with the
You like the old-fashioned car better?
Yeah. Can you take this off?
Oh, that's the roof, isn't it?
Yeah, but can you put that on?
No, not that. That's... When do I use that roof?
Winter.
That's the winter roof and that's the summer roof. If it starts to rain, you have to put that one up.
If you get that there, you crack.
Yeah.
You'll get all
Well,
sweaty.
you mustn't sit on that. Sit just behind it. Just pull it up like this. Let's see.
Hey guys!
Put this behind here like that.
Yeah!
Down like that. It's not down properly. It all has to be folded up.